Do you think certification is enough without the hands-on experience?
It's not. I can tell you for free, it's not. You need the hands-on. The tools, you could just go reading about Agile and writing the certification and coming out successful. You really need to know about the tools, the processes. You really know how to do a stand-up. You really know how to do a retro, how to have a review. When you're talking of Agile Scrum, you can't do Agile. You can't be successful in Agile just having a trust. You need hands-on.
I'm introducing Grace Johnson, one of LEARNTOR's students. But first, let's find out how you found out about LEARNTOR.
I got to know about LEARNTOR. I went looking her up all over the internet, Google. I went to YouTube. I was following her LinkedIn page. I was an ardent follower, and I would say her posts were really educating at that time. And I urged LEARNTOR, please go back to posting your infographic. They really caught my fancy. Post on Agile, what Agile meant, and she would sometimes she would ask questions, comparing waterfall and Agile, and it all caught my interest. It all got me interested, and so I went looking for her. I went on YouTube one day. I checked on LEARNTOR, and I saw this video where she was advertising the training, and she was, if you were interested, just drop a comment. I jumped on the training like 2 months later.
According to the data that we have, that 80% of you guys didn't know much about Agile. Though you have a project management background, can you speak to your experience on the Agile digital transformation?
Yeah, I have a project management background. I also have a certification in project management where, even the project management exams, they just ask very few questions on Agile, time boxing, one-up chats. And so it didn't really, and even the webinars they advertise on PMI, you don't really have a detailed Agile. Webinars on Agile actually really cost money. It's not really accessible, so you wouldn't really get it for free except you sign up at a cost. LEARNTOR really has done a great job. Really, it was really intensive. Having no Agile background and then coming to the class, having Adekunle Talabi take us in Agile Scrum, and then having Scrum.org come again to retrain. The impact had really been great. We drink and eat Agile. We're not just doing or being Agile. We now drink Agile, and it's actually impacted my private life seriously. Before I do stuff, so I begin to think the Agile way. How do I really do it to add value and not just follow the waterfall or multitask and then get things going? But the focus now is adding value. That's really what LEARNTOR has added. Value addition. Get me to think value addition.
Awesome. And you're adding value. She applied for Agile 20 Reflect and boom, she became a trustee. What would you say to somebody that is iffy about their decision to, should I? Not. What would you say to them?
This is one thing I will tell you. In this new world we found ourselves, the world has changed with COVID-19. And the solution, the answer, keep working Agile. That is basically the answer for now and for the future. That is my advice to anybody that feels iffy, should I do, should I not? Just give it a try. Your next income could just be Agile.
I loaded you guys project management, Agile digital transformation, digital marketing, data analytics, GDPR, just name it. Do you think it was worth every of the experience?
It's crazy good. That's what I'll say. Yes, it's crazy good. And we are very lucky that we got all that. Crazy good, right? It's really crazy good. Having GDPR, I really didn't know anything about GDPR pre-coming, signing up LEARNTOR's digital transformation. Now I know about GDPR. Now I'm reading about GDPR the more. Now I have an understanding of Article 1 to Article, name it, I have an understanding of it.
Do you think certification is enough without the hands-on experience?
It's not. I can tell you for free, it's not. You need the hands-on. The tools, you could just go reading about Agile and writing the certification and coming out successful. You really need to know about the tools, the processes. You really know how to do a stand-up. You really know how to do a retro, how to have a review. When you're talking of Agile Scrum, you can't do Agile. You can't be successful in Agile just having a trust. You need hands-on.
Thank you so much, Grace Johnson. I know this is just the beginning because you are one great success story for LEARNTOR as I speak. The fact that you were still on training, you're on the board of trustee for an international organization, and you're lending your experience even as a new Agilist. Thank you for coming on today. I really appreciate your feedback. One of the goals for LEARNTOR is to bridge the digital skill gap in Africa, and I hope that we are doing that one life at a time.
Kudos to LEARNTOR. You deserve every accolade.
We receive it, or return all of it to God.
Glory to God.
Thank you so much, Grace, for joining.
Yeah.